Welcome back to part 2 of the Rick Replica build. Unfortunately, nothing seems to be going to plan, and normally at this stage I'd have probably just given up on the build completely, but I entered a competition and it's only right that I see it through to the end. I had high hopes for this build, but forgot that I've got limited funds and limited skills, so I'm having to make the body from some scrap pieces of 3x2 cheap pine that I had left over from a gate build, and not ash as Rick's guitar is, and the workshops are an absolute disgrace because of some shifting around that I had to do, so I'm struggling for room to work and I can't even get to half of my tools. Then it turns out that not only are the parts on Rick's guitar pretty much obsolete, the guitar parts aren't even the standard setup. It's been modified several times and I'm not sure I have the skills needed to build it. And then to top it off, most guitar shops that I've tried to buy parts from just seem to be sold out of everything that I need. So I'm going to have to make do with parts that look somewhat similar and as cheap as budget allows, and try to match the parts as close as possible to what I need subject to availability. It's really not how I envision the project to go, but if it looks remotely how it should, and it works, I'll be made up. So rather than rabbit on and send you all to sleep, I'll let the video run, and to accompany the video I've added a backing track that I made a few months ago, which hopefully has a bit of a status quo feel to it.